first comment I make is that ordinarily this should not have been difficult at all. So clearly the denial of bail, because almost every offense in Ghana is bailable. Apart from that, without regard to the person's circumstances, his needs in the jurisdiction and all that, somebody with very sufficient ties in the country, no one can reasonably expect that Freddie Blay is one person who absconded from the jurisdiction, let alone evade the process of the law. And for that matter, clearly bail should have been granted. It's an offense that is quite spurious without any basis at all. He never committed the offense that he's been charged with, which is causing unlawful damage to property. Indeed, the prosecution's case is of the facts of the prosecution's case. It's a show that he was not the one who authorized the alleged destruction of any property. And indeed, there was no property at all on the land, or there was no building on the land to destroy it. There was no building at all. So, I mean, these matters are matters that are quite strange. I see this development as very unhealthy for our judicial system. It brings the judiciary into dispute when you have such a person denied bail and be sent on remand for about 3 weeks to come back after the Easter holidays. They can only be used to punish a person unjustifiably because the matter has not even been gone to. And if you go into the matter, you see that clearly he cannot be guilty of the offense at all. It's something that eventually, yes, he will prove in court.
Right. You were not too happy about it.
Thankfully, the presiding judge also varied the condition. It was for him to have been put through the requirement of having 2 public servants and law itself would be a little bit not necessarily hard, but a little bit harsh. And I thought that it ought to vary, and it was varied in the way that it was done. But I'll say that, I mean, we very much deplore the conduct of the Supreme Court judge at the Koforidua. We think that such conduct, apart from bringing the judiciary into dispute, is actually symptomatic of some judicial high-handedness. High-handedness in the sense that he was treated from our perspective, perhaps on account of his background, political background and all that. But this is not a matter that bail be granted to any person at all, no matter how high standing or low standing the person in society. And so how would you treat him in this way, especially when there's even no evidence of the service to the summons and whatever?
How is his health as we speak now?
Oh, so he's been he's on admission in the GHC, and I believe that the medical practitioners are really doing their very best. And so he's in good health. I believe that he will be in good spirits.
Because he's an astute lawyer with over 48 years of practice. Looking at his credentials in Ghana, he has been a former First Deputy Speaker and a National Party Chairman of MP. He has not even been served. And even per the laws of the country, you cannot even give somebody 3 weeks remand. Looking at the case. So justice has been served, and I think it's a good goal for the country as a whole. So we'll take it from there.
We are seeing supporters.
I heard that the appeal will be done today. They troop in with their numbers to support the chairman because they feel that his right has been trampled upon.
Okay, thank you.
said the CBI or Jim, now or Imani, who may find a good food, and